What's up everyone, Jack here for Goszo's World, and to wish to say Happy New Year everybody! Yeah, I hope you're all enjoying your Christmas with your friends, your family, your friends, your loved ones. Those people got engaged, that one, they're getting married, you know, congratulations, that one. Yeah, so anyway, for today's video, we are going to be looking at is the Goszo's World reviews and 2022 plans. So starting off with the reviews. So at the beginning with it, I've been 4.5 months being isolated, but I've done 2 jabs, that one here, 1 booster, and even the flu jab. I'm perfectly fine, I'm okay, so I just want to got bad things out of the way. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the gaming playthroughs like Tekken 2, Harry Potter, Philosopher's Stone, Devil May Cry, Ratchet & Clank for one here. I did the retaking on Ratchet & Clank 1 because I got that the Elgato HD60S is much more better and it's more clearer for one. So everyone's enjoyed that revisiting. Also, like Ratchet & Clank 3, Ratchet Gladiator, aka Ratchet Deadlock if you're in America, and all kinds of that one. So I know the playthroughs. Live reactions I did with Dragon Ball FighterZ, The King of Fighters 15, Multi-Blood Type Lumina, and Dungeon Fighter Dual DNF. I hope everyone's enjoying those, guys. I really appreciate it for like and comment for support for that one. Also did for the vlogs. I did with like Nintendo Nottingham events, like We Missed You event. So if you didn't chance to see it, the video will be on the screen now. And then follow up with that is Mario Kart 8, or aka Mario Kart 8 Christmas Edition. We did that in November. It was absolutely fantastic tournament it was. And if you haven't chances yet to see it, the video will be on the screen now. So also did with some video game shopping vlogs, ones like Retro World, Mobile Games Exchange, and Power Your Own Universes. So everyone, hope you all enjoy that. And even of course he is gaming room. It's gaming that one, but it's absolutely fantastic. And I went to the shop about one there, and he's made loads of changes in downstairs. So hopefully we'll come back for that. Hopefully we'll do it this year. So hopefully keep that in mind. Also did like video gaming pickups, that one here, like monthly now I do create a playlist. Also that I did the unboxing videos of 2 consoles I have, was the Sega Dreamcast and also the Nintendo SNES. I hope everyone enjoyed that one. So it was so awesome to play those games. Even got new ones as well. I just enjoyed the moments of it. So anyway, so that's about that, to be honest. Oh, one more thing, I think you already know, the TV's missing, because to let you all guys know that this is a 100% official. I have officially moved back to my old room now. All the stuff, everything is all been hanged up. All the magnificent bits is now going to be officially completed. So you will see that for coming up this month, so get ready for the wow of your life to see the transformation of the gaming bedroom. So please keep that in mind. So hopefully we'll do it hopefully next week, you know, depends how I feel. And hopefully just remember tap the bell for notifications so you don't want to miss that announcement. So keep that in mind. So what are you going to be doing for 2022 plans this year? Well, same thing as always. Gaming playthroughs are going to be continuing with that. More live reaction videos, hopefully with some more characters, you know, like from Dragon Ball FighterZ, King of Fighters 15, Multi-Blood Type Lumina, and also Dungeon Fighter Duel, so I cannot wait for that. Hopefully as well some more vlogs, like shopping vlogs, like Power Wow Universe, and hopefully trying to find maybe some new ones as I can look forward to. I know there's some other retail shops I've never been to, but hopefully I'll try my best with my ability to hopefully go there. Also unboxing videos. Hopefully we'll look at some, maybe to get some more systems, more collectible editions. But trust me, you're gonna love that one, and hopefully you're gonna see that soon. And oh yeah, Nintendo Nottingham events are gonna be hoping making a return to it. So hopefully we're still gonna do the online ones, and then hopefully we'll totally do a next in-person vlog. So hopefully at the Dice Cup, maybe back at Metro or anywhere else. But hopefully keep that in mind. So I hope you're super excited. One thing, of course, hopefully that this is the official word, that Chris, the leader of the Mega Drive Championships community, is going to be returning by this year. Now, I'm not sure what the date will be, but I'm hoping, for fingers crossed, if it's going to be in August, before September, then it will be absolutely fantastic. So, yeah. And so that will be usually the plan. And next one, of course, that now I got back to my room. I'm now going to be doing one thing. For the first time ever, I'm going to do it Twitch. First time ever doing Twitch live for the first time. I got a few of my friends maybe can help me out with, what Twitch settings, how to do the OBSs. And hopefully I'm going to try to get some practicing, and hope I could do some live reactions on computer instead of like this in the camera. But hopefully stay tuned for that one. Yeah, also I do have a specific date for Twitch. I'm going to do a very special anniversary. So hopefully everyone can mark it down. On Thursday, the 8th of November, 2022, I am going to do a very special 2 or 3 day one of one of my favorite games ever. Do a Ratchet and Clank live. So we're going to do a 20th, because this game is now going to be celebrating 20 years on the European region. In America it's on the 6th. But I'm not going to do it on the PS4, I'm not going to do it on the PS3, we're going to do it on the original PS2 port. So I'm going to get some practicing, and hopefully if I get a hang of it well with live streaming, then hopefully I will be ready to do the special 20th anniversary edition. And hopefully as well, like maybe go back to retro games fairs, events like hopefully in Nottingham. I hope I'll do that. And one thing that Insomnia Gaming Festival, we know it's been confirmed, it's going to be on the 15th to the 18th of April. I'm not quite sure that I might not make it there, but hopefully, fingers crossed, if I try. But if not, then hopefully I'll do it in the summer this year. Hopefully, once the pandemic is coming down for it. But anyway, so that's about that for now. So that is actually my actual video for it. So that's all of my reviews and 2022 plans. And I just want to say I wish you everyone a very happy new year, and let's have a new beginning of a new era of the 2022, and let's make it a good one. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this special video, and remember, drop a big massive like for the video. Drop down in the comments below you to say wish me a happy new year, to see what even upcoming plans that you're excited to see. Don't forget to click punch the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications to see anything big coming up in 2022, and hopefully you all enjoyed the good life. Anyway, till then, this is Jack here. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy yourself a good year. See you all later.